This is Mike Webb, Marketing Manager for SERVPRO of Ocala, Florida. And this beautiful Saturday morning, we are at Trinity Tile, large factory and warehouse showcase room here in Ocala, Florida. And we're about to film a commercial HVAC air duct cleaning. Crew's already arrived and they've already unloaded the equipment that we need to start this HVAC cleaning. So we're going to go up on top of the offices here where the air handlers are located. And right now, this is Brian, who's the crew chief, and he's about to get started. This is the equipment that's being used, and we've got it connected to one of the large air handlers here on top of the roof. As you can see, the crew is using safety equipment, goggles, gloves, N95 mask. Here's a video of one of the large returns in this massive building that, as you can see, definitely needs to be cleaned, and that's about.
All right, boys. No, he doesn't want my eyes, don't he? Yeah, we got to use that one up there, but. Okay, go ahead. Okay, I'm letting the bend. Let's do the returns first, because the returns are your dirty side. And then we go through, then we'll do all the supplies, then I'll clean the air handler, and then we'll go ahead and sanitize the system out.
Gotcha.
Okay?
Excellent, excellent.
So that's your system. So in a lot of the commercial cleaning like this right here, you don't want to get over aggressive with it because you can do more damage than it's good. All right? The whole point is get it clean and sanitized.
Excellent.
Right? Get it, Mike. Get it, Mike.
Final step is wiping down the vents, returns, supplies, making it look brand new.